again and welcome to my DIY video where I'm going to show you how I make a surgical mask using only things you can find around the house. And this is a no sewing tutorial. So for those of you without a sewing machine like myself, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. I will share with you today 2 different ways to make a surgical mask using only the items around the house. This is all you need. So I've just got some kitchen roll, just this which you find in any kitchen. You can use 1 sheet or 2 sheets depending on how thick you want the mask to be, and just a couple of rubber bands. And even if you don't have rubber bands, some hair ties, hair bands, they'll do the job. Basically just going to start by folding it in maybe 1 inch, turn it over, and then you fold it over again the same amount. With each fold, I'm really pushing into those creases so they don't just pop back open again. With it being sort of creased like that, that will mean that when it's over the face, it can spread out in the middle. And it won't be spreading out the side because we're going to attach our elastic bands. So to do this, just pop it on the edge there. The good thing with having an elastic band is that it's rubbery rather than a hair tie, so it really clings to the tissue. I'm just going to put it fairly taut on the tissue like that, so you have a nice dangly bit here. Wrap it around a finger, so just going over the finger, then over that other bit of elastic. And what we want to do is tuck it under where our finger's going, so it's coming up there. You see, so it's gone over the other bit of band, over this bit of band, through where my fingers come through. And just put it nice and taut. Okay, the other side. Got another little bit of elastic. There we go, so we've got both sides on there, which means when we open it out, it's only the middle bit that is spreading apart. The sides stay tight. And this is the bit that will fit over your nose, mouth and bottom of your chin. Right, place it on the face. Just remove any hair that could be in the way. And you want your ears to be accessible because it's these bands here that's going to attach to the ears. Here you go, your very own tissue mask. For the second DIY surgical mask, all you need is a piece of fabric. So this could be a top, a tea towel. I've got a tea towel right here, that will do the job well, and elastic bands. You can still use hair bands. Just folding it up like that. Got my 2 bands ready, so let's pop 1 on each side. And then we just fold this over here, fold it over there, tuck it in nice and neatly. And this is how you attach it.